Chef Dan here, and we are here to talk to you today about steam ovens. Specifically, we're going to talk about Wolf steam ovens and all the great things that they can do. Obviously, when you think of steam ovens, you think of the really obvious things. You think of steaming your vegetables. You think of steaming your fish and your potatoes and whatever you need. But there's a lot more things that can do than that. A lot of these ovens today, especially the Wolf, has a combi steam oven. So it has the ability to roast things. You can cook your meats in there. You can cook your proteins. You can get a beautiful caramelization on your meats. You can do those two things together for your French breads, right? You can steam at the beginning and then roast it at the end. You can also sous vide with them. You can keep it at the exact temperature you want to cook for your sous vide, and you can do that directly in the steam oven. You can can. I've actually canned in a steam oven, if you could believe that. And there's a ton of things you can do. We're going to go a really high level overview of everything you can do in the steam oven, and we're actually going to make this delicious dish in the process. So follow along.
The first step in using your Wolf Convection steam oven is to make sure it's properly filled with water. The oven has a built-in reservoir, which you can access from the control panel. Once the reservoir is filled, close the door and turn on the oven. You'll see a screen with various cooking options and temperature settings. The control panel will then tell you which tray position to use, based on the chosen food and functions. These are marked 1, 2, 3, or 4. Cooking with the Wolf Convection steam oven has many benefits. This method is particularly good for vegetables, which retain more of their nutrients and flavor. After using the steam function, it's important to clean up properly to ensure your convection steam oven stays in good condition. Your Wolf Convection steam oven can also perform as a traditional convection oven. Let's jump into that function now. Switching to convection mode, the oven utilizes dry heat to create beautifully browned dishes. From baking bread to roasting meats, the convection feature ensures even heat distribution, resulting in consistent and professional quality results. Following the previous steps for oven function and tray position, insert tray on the prompted number and begin roasting. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can use your Wolf Convection steam oven to create a wide range of delicious meals. We hope you found this guide helpful, and happy cooking!